What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. I am back again with part two of this analysis because a lot of people have been messaging me that. I don't know. I was clear enough that I was, that yeah, it needs to go up. And I clearly said if it falls, it's going to come here, right? So the thing is, if you haven't watched that video, you can watch it. But again, we are live, still live into the markets. I caught it at 440, something like that, and I exited. I'm telling you right away, I have exited all my positions in Tesla. Anyways, I was trading with stocks, right? So I've exited everything, and I posted it on X as well. Okay, I don't know if TradingView will let this video go on or not. I don't know because I'm showing X here. So if they take it out, they take it out. I don't really care about it. But the thing is, I need to save the if somebody is going in the right direction, I need to tell them what's going on. So I bought it at 440.5. Time is also here, 10:16, 11:53 sold, booked profit. Okay, I cannot reveal my quantities. All right, but again, yes, this is what I did. Now let's go back here. Market is still live. Okay, so I made some money. I'm happy. I don't really care. Okay, I don't want to be a part of this chaos. Please understand the price action has been discussed in part one of the analysis. This is all about psychology. Okay, you need to understand this. Even if it goes all time high, you are sitting most likely. I'm just spilling the truth out. Most of you are working right now. Okay, you're at job. Okay, the thing is, it's not going to change anything for you. Even if it does 500 or 1000, try to understand the psychology here. Okay, if you will hold say 1000 quantities of Tesla, you won't even be able to hold it for like a $10 move. Understand that logically, please. It's all about psychology. Even if it goes up, okay, you won't be able to hold it. And I know majority of the people, they're just trading options, which will be zero. If you know how to, people who know how to play options, that's a different game. Okay, I am saying I don't want to short it. I don't want to long it. Okay. I traded it and I've exited it. Yes, it can go up. I hope I'm clear now. Yes, it can go up. But the thing is, I don't want to go into it. It is heavily influenced by news. Why do I want to go in a stock which is heavily influenced by news? Even if it goes up here, trust me, whatever consolidation has happened here will be, if say, assume that, tomorrow you do see a green candle here like this, okay, like this. Trust me, if fresh selling, if somebody wants to sell from the top, can you stop that person? If I have the money and I want to sell, I can sell, right? You cannot stop me. Understand the psychology here. If it comes down from here, you won't even understand where to stop. That's the whole problem. There are no pending orders here. I'm telling you right away, it can go up, but if it comes down, get ready for this. Okay, get ready for these levels. This one, it has buying at every single level. I don't know if you are following the charts here. I actually caught this move. Okay, and this was a $72 down move. And at this particular candle, look at the date, June 4th, 2025, Wednesday. Elon Musk was actually fighting with Trump. So Elon actually has sponsored Trump for the election, and he best friends. Imagine, practically understand, if I cannot fight with my best friend or my brother, right? I cannot. Even though I fight, I know we will reconcile. You need to understand that. But understand, in 2 days, $72 were wiped out. So I'm just talking about one stock. So do you understand what amount of money and volume was here? Okay, let me show you here logically. From here till here, 87.43. No, 72. I know because I was trading it. Okay, here, till here, right? Look at this, 72.37 in 2 days. Do you understand the fall? You don't even recall. Go and Google it. You will understand they were fighting here. The fight started here. Okay, and it never stopped. And then I bought it here. I'm not flaunting or anything, but I'm telling you, whenever there is news, stay the hell away from it. What do you think? I'm posting here. Don't you think like I have contacts sitting anywhere in the world? I can know whatever information I want to know, okay, about myself or about my circle, okay, the people I roam with. the people who are my friends or my family. I can know anything about like my related work or my related family or my friends. Elon actually is the big boss of Tesla, right? What do you think? He doesn't know, and he's waiting for 4 p.m. for you to know what the results would be. He already knows. If somebody is getting fired, do you think, imagine, think practically, if somebody is getting fired from a job, what do you think? Example, it's just an assumption. What do you think if Elon is trying to fire somebody? He will come tomorrow and fire here and tell you the news? No, he has already got a backup. Somebody has already been hired before he's firing that. And you understand practically when you're getting laid off or when you're getting fired from a job, you're given a notice. Okay, you're given warnings that okay, you're not performing 2 or 3 practically, I'm telling you. And then final warning is done and then you're out. What do you think if a company is firing you? Okay, they don't have a backup. I'm just spilling the truths here. Okay, I don't really care what happens. Even if it goes up, I know if it comes down, if it goes up, set most likely, I'm understanding, my assumption is assumption, and selling would come in, and then you won't even understand that there are no pending orders here. Every single pending order was used even at 4 hours. I've explained that. So the thing is this: if it goes up and hold and form new levels, we'll see. And trading Tesla is not the end of the world. Please, you have SPY, which can fall. Okay, I'm not making a lot of videos because I don't feel like repeating the same stuff again and again. Okay, market is live, it is moving. Yes, market can fall, but it shouldn't be a free fall because there are levels. Currently, market can go up. It has hit a very poor level, but all the market, like I'm talking about Nasdaq, I'm talking about S&P, I'm talking about the tech sector, I'm talking about futures. Okay, so you need to understand that everything has hit a proper level, and it will spike up, could spike up, but that does not mean you should trade. Trades are not here at these levels, I'm telling you right away. You There's a little difference, where people understand whatever I'm telling, and then I don't know. I'm honestly short at words here. Okay, but understand this practically. It's all about psychology. I'm not playing like I've explained all this already. The thing is, I am out, and I've showed you here what I did. I am out, okay, and I've posted all this. And look at this. I am trying to buy Tesla at 350. Good till cancel. And currently, when I placed this order, it was trading at 447.42. I don't want a short, I don't want a long. I want to stay the hell away from this stock. Okay. Even if it goes to 700, 800. I understand it can go up. And I also understand that if it tanks, it's going to come. If it tanks, it's going to come here. So this is what day trading is, right? And people who say they are day traders or intraday traders, I don't really, the goal is not to let anybody down. Like, I'm not against nobody, but you can only trade when the opportunity is coming. Okay, I hope I've given you enough lecture. Like, we are almost into 9 minutes now. Okay, just make sure that you protect your capital. Just make sure that you're not listening to nobody. And even if you want to go long, you need to have a plan. What if it tanks? What is your plan? Will you buy here? Trust me, news won't be good here at these levels, right? Right now, everybody's confused. That is why it is consolidating. And the whole point here is, I've explained, it is consolidating inside a supply zone. I actually, my job is to find breakouts when price is inside a higher time frame demand zone. It is actually consolidating inside a supply zone. So there should be no confusion. I have exited. No stocks. Option, I have never traded it. Options in Tesla at this moment because it's so volatile. I don't want to be a part of this idiotic thing. So no stocks, no options. Absolutely not trading. Absolutely not trading Tesla at whatever price it's roaming right now. And I won't stop buying here. I won't stop buying here. I will buy at every single level. And trust me, 338. I'm telling you right away. 338. Mark this number. Okay, if it comes, buy. Okay, but yeah, whatever. Okay, so if you did understand something, and if this analysis, this psychological lesson was useful to you, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe here. All right, take care. Bye bye.